Hello kings and queens of YouTube, this is Superdell and I got another amazing video I'm about to show you and hopefully you like it. Now in today's video I will be discussing more Amazon Fire TV streaming devices tips. Alright, now the models include the Fire Stick, the Fire Stick 4K, also the Fire TV boxes, the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen. This includes the Cube TV, this includes the Fire TV tablet, and also the Fire TV editions models, the Toshiba models, and also the Insignia TV models. Hopefully I covered everything. All right, now of course you want to know some of the best tips around, that way you be able to manage your device correctly. So with that being said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also click that thumbs up. Also guys, you can share this and then click that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I drop any type of material on YouTube. So first thing first, of course, I'm on my multi-viewer and I see that my Fire Stick 4K is on input 2. So I'm gonna make the screen bigger. Now the first thing I want to talk about is manage storage. Okay, a lot of us still don't know where to go to manage the storage. Now there are two ways. I'm gonna get to one way later on in the video, but the easy way, if you want to check it, you can go up. All right, you see I'm at home, but if you go over here to settings, so let's go up and go over to settings, and then let's come down and let's go over to applications right here. So if you click on applications and you go down to manage installed applications, you will see, or if you highlight it rather, you will see how much space you have left. So right now it's telling me that my Fire Stick 4K has 1.31 gigabytes of free space available. That means that's all I have left. Okay, now if you want to go in, you want to clear some room, you want to take some applications that you don't use, if you click in here, guys, click in here, and you can go down to some of the applications that may not work for you anymore or you don't like. So let's just say I want to get rid of this one right here. Y'all know what it is. All right, so if I click on it and I go down to uninstall, and then it tells me, do you want to uninstall? This will remove all the apps generated data from this device. All right, so yes, I want to uninstall that, and you can see that it will uninstall. It's not showing up anymore, and that goes for any other third-party application that you have on this device. All right, so if I want to get rid of this one, TV Zion, I can click on it and then I can go down to uninstall if I wanted to get rid of it. All right, so this is just another way that you can see how much storage, and as you see when I took it off, I got it went from 1.31 to 1.47. So you can clean up your Fire TV streaming devices by just taking away the unnecessary third-party apps that you don't use. All right, secondly, guys, let me show you something. So if I go down to your apps, the category of your apps and channels, there are two ways. Actually, there are three ways. We'll get into another one later on. But right here, if you go down here to your apps and channels, you can go on and click see all, or you can go all the way over if you want to see all the apps or anything associated with your Fire TV streaming device. So if you click see all, I'm about to show you something. You see these applications, right? But you see they have clouds. All right, so if I go to this one, you see the cloud, and say you see another one with the cloud, and say you just look at all of this that is showing up. Okay, you don't want to see all of these applications with these clouds. You only want to see the applications that you have installed and that you're using on your Fire TV streaming device. So if you want to hide or get rid of these clouds, these cloud applications, let's do that now. So let's go to the home let's go back to settings, which is over here at the top right. Let's go down. Let's go to settings and let's go to applications right here, guys. Highlight applications. Let's click in there and let's go to App Store right here. So if you click on the App Store, and let's say if you go down here to hide, you see hide cloud apps. If you turn it on, mine is off. I'm about to turn it on. You see it just went into on. Now, again, let's hit the home button. And then let's go back to your apps and channels. Remember last time I went all the way to this end, but if you got this option right here where you can see them all, you will see all of those applications that had the cloud symbol in it gone. So let's click in there. Look at that. You see how short it is? It looks so much better. It's not cluttered with all of those unused applications that are sitting in the cloud. So that's one way you can get rid of it, and it looks so much better, guys. All right, let's go back home. You can always go back home when you hit the home button on your remote control. All right, just hit the home button, the home icon on there. Now, guys, let me show you this simple trick. Simple trick. A lot of y'all already know about it. But if you hold the home button, just click and hold it. Guys, you can go directly to your apps. You can put it in sleep mode. You can also mirror. I'm not going to say every device will have this option right here, but for the 4K sticks, you can mirror. And also, guys, you can go directly to settings. You know, settings go up, go all the way to the right if you hold your home button. So let me do it again. All right, and I want to go to my apps, directly to my apps, and you see it'll take me directly to my apps. If I hit the home button again and I want to go directly to the settings, all right, I can go to the settings from anywhere, guys, anywhere. So that means I can go down and go to any one of these categories. And you may say, well, Dale, if I'm in app mode, and let's just go back to my apps, can I get to my settings from here? And the answer is yes. Hold the home button and go to your settings. All right, and you can get down to these categories. So it's as simple as that. So now let's go to the next thing, guys. How to find the name of your device. So if y'all got multiple devices in your home, like me, I got a Fire TV edition, I got the Fire Stick 4K, I got an Amazon Cube, all of that, guys. But if you want to know the specific name to your device, again, you can click the home button, go over to your settings, or you could have just went up and went to your settings. Drop down, guys. So when you drop down, go over to my Fire TV, which is right here. You'll see an icon like this. If you click on it one time and then you click on the About tab, click on that. Look up here, guys. This is the name of your Fire TV device. All right, this is the name of this device that I'm using now. Now, of course, you can go on the web browser and change it manually. It's as simple as that. Also, guys, y'all remember when I said you can also check your storage from another place? Remember, we went into manage install. So check this out. Let me go back. Y'all stay right here. Do not move. Remember, if you go back out and go over to applications, manage, and it shows you the 1.7. Now if I go all the way over to my Fire TV, I can check it from here once I click on the About tab, and I can see the 1.7 here. So again, it tells you the account, the software is on, the Fire TV home version, and all of that. So you can see your name. That way, if you want to send anything, any application or tool to a specific device, you can use that, and I will do a video on that one later. All right, guys, last thing. All right, let me show you something. A lot of times some of us get frustrated because when we go down, we get the video and audio, all of that. Sometimes we wake up our spouse, girlfriends, and stuff like that. If you don't want this to autoplay, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So again, you either can hold the home button or you can just go all the way over to your settings. Go down, guys. I need you to go over to preference. Where you at, preference? Here it is right here, guys. It looked just like this. It got the 3 lines with the circles on them. You click on that one time, guys, and then you go down to featured content, which is right here. Click on featured content and you can turn these features off. All right, so you want to turn off autoplay, turn that off, and then you can turn off the audio as well. So let me click on that. So both of them are now in off status. So now when you go to your home page, and let's just say you drop on here in your home slot, you notice no video is playing. They just show some pictures and stuff like that, some advertisement and all of that. And I'm gonna get into another video on this one as well. So I just want to give you some pointers, some tools to put in your tool bag that will help you manage your Fire TV streaming device. Guys, I want to salute you for allowing me in your home and on your smart devices, okay? Also, and your PC or whatever you're using to watch this video. Guys, again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click that bell icon. Very important. That way you will get notified anytime I drop any material on YouTube. Salute, everyone. Y'all be safe. You take care of each other, and I will talk to you on the next video. I'm out. Salute. Peace.